What's up, everyone? My name is Joe, your expert on all things Web3 NFTs, digital collectibles. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the newest Coinbase wallet, showing you everything you need to know to be on chain. Coinbase's newest wallet is in fact just a web app. You can see right there, I put in the web address, which is simply wallet.coinbase.com. You don't need to download an app. You don't need to download a browser extension. As you can see here, I have many different extensions for many different wallets, from MetaMask to Phantom to Kepler to Magic Eden to Xverse. You name it, I got it all. Coinbase is looking to solve that particular problem, which is having too many wallets across many different blockchains. And they're looking for the simplest way to onboard new users without them having to download something on their phone and or an extension on the browser. Don't let the name fool you. You do not need a Coinbase account to utilize this wallet, but if you do have one, yes, it integrates seamlessly. There's two simple ways to get started. You can connect your existing wallets. If you already have a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Phantom, you can start that way. If you do want to create a new wallet, you can go ahead and do so. The benefits of this is that it will integrate with Coinbase that much easier. Let's go and create a new wallet to show everyone that simple step. After you click create a wallet, you have two different options. You already have a wallet with Coinbase, or you want to create a smart wallet. Coinbase utilizes a technology called passkey, so it's better to show you what I mean. Click on create a smart wallet and it will ask you for your passkey from your mobile device. That could be a biometric, that could be a face scan, a fingerprint, whatever you utilize to get into your Mac or Android, they're going to utilize that same passkey for your Coinbase wallet. For me, it's a fingerprint, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And just as easy as that, my wallet is created. You don't need to write down a secret recovery phrase. In fact, you cannot even get a secret recovery phrase. So this is not truly trustless. You do need to trust the passkey holders of your passwords for your mobile devices or for your iClouds. Let's go ahead and click on the settings icon right here to see some of the functionality. The Coinbase wallet makes it very easy to manage all your wallets across the board. If you do want to combine and see your on-chain metrics, all you have to do is simply add them one by one by clicking add wallet. I went ahead and added some wallets from different blockchains to see how simple this would be. Here I added Phantom Wallet, which supports a lot of Solana-based NFTs and cryptos. Here I added Base through MetaMask. And here I added Magic Eden. All the way on the bottom here, you can see the Coinbase wallet address that I just created. I can utilize my new wallet to receive and send crypto and or NFTs or any of the wallets that I just connected. Here's the tab for adjusting the settings on my smart wallet. But when I click into it, the only thing I can really do is connect my Coinbase. Everything else you can do on the dashboard, which I'll go back to, you can view your wallet assets, your NFTs, you can view them visually, you can buy crypto, of course, receive crypto, but on the settings page, the really thing that you can only change is just connecting your Coinbase wallet. There is one more thing that is coming soon, and by the time you're watching this, it may already be there, and that's account recovery. Remember, I said that you could not export your secret recovery phrase. They have not allowed that functionality yet. It doesn't mean that they won't do so in the future. They just wanted to make this onboarding process very simple through the passkey, through the biometrics like I mentioned. I'm not going to go through the last two settings as it's really quite simple. You could change the display colors and you can ask for help. There really isn't a true dashboard yet for the Coinbase wallet. It's more of an advertisement for NFTs that may be dropping or cryptos that they want to promote. But if you just want a simple view of everything inside your wallet, you want to go ahead and click on assets. Here to give an overview of your overall balance in terms of cryptos, which is quite easy to do. Potentially in the future, they'll show you graphs of this as well with a timeline. And you can filter this with different networks and different wallets to make it simpler to view. NFTs, they just show you the icons of the NFTs. They don't show you the value of them. Now, there are wallets that do show you the value of those NFTs. Coinbase hopefully will follow suit soon with the value of the NFTs so you can have a good, true look of your on-chain metrics. One thing that I do like here is that they have a DeFi section that will let you view different DeFi apps across different platforms. We're going to jump into some DeFi apps in 1 second, but lastly, what I want to show you is that it tracks all your transactions across all different wallets in one simple place. One thing I love about the transaction tab is that it lets you filters for different blockchain networks. That just keeps it very clean and simple for people who trade crypto or NFTs across different blockchains. As you become a more sophisticated investor and or collector, trust me, this tool will be very, very useful. Now let's go back to DeFi apps. Just by clicking DeFi apps, it actually brings you to the apps category of the Coinbase wallet, specifically the earn category. Now there's a lot of different categories that I won't go through here, but I really like this because I do have assets across a lot of different wallets, a lot of different blockchains, and some of it is just sitting there. I would like to earn yield on some of those, and I'm happy that Coinbase lists some of the top DeFi protocols out there. Clicking on a DeFi app opens up a little tab that gives you data points about that specific app, where it ranks overall and different little tidbits. When you click on open the app, it does open up the protocol on a different tab. It doesn't open it up within the Coinbase wallet itself, which means that you will have to reconnect your Coinbase wallet to that decentralized protocol or any other app in Web3 world. Here we can see that there is a Coinbase wallet here, so that will make that compatible. And it probably makes sense that Coinbase will only show DeFi protocols that can utilize Coinbase wallet. If not, then why are they ranking it on their top site? Let's go through the last three functionalities of this wallet, which is quite simple. You can buy crypto and you can designate it to your different wallets. So it doesn't have to be specifically the Coinbase wallet, which is right here. It could be MetaMask, it could be Magic Eden, it could be Phantom even, and probably a lot different other ones. And for some reason, I don't see my Phantom wallet in here, but that may be coming soon. And what is a Web3 wallet without the swap functionality these days? Here, they do recognize my Phantom wallet. Surprisingly, they didn't do it on the buy side. But here, I can swap some meme coins, not financial advice to buy any of the meme coins that I have on here, but you can swap it for something within the same network. So you can see here, I can click on sell maximum amount of this meme coin, and I could swap it into any other asset within the Solana ecosystem that you see here. And for sending crypto, you can see right here that we are limited to just the Ethereum and Base network right now. I don't know why Solana and Bitcoin's not there yet, but I'm pretty sure that will come soon on Coinbase. The Coinbase wallet does allow you to mint and buy NFTs on different marketplaces like OpenSea, Magic Eden. One thing that it works seamlessly with is, of course, the Base ecosystem, which is operated by Coinbase. As you can see here, not on the true dashboard, but on this marketing page of the wallet, you can mint an NFT directly from the wallet itself. Here we can see that by clicking the mint button, it opens up beautifully on the application itself. It doesn't bring you to another tab. It doesn't bring you to another website. It's within your wallet. Very simple to mint, and I can even select different wallets that I want to pay from to mint this NFT. One new mechanism about Coinbase Wallet which sets it apart from the rest is that it has gaming mechanics. You don't really see that with Phantom or the MetaMask protocol itself. Here within the Coinbase Wallet, you can earn points, you can earn USDC on the daily. They have leaderboards where you can climb up and gain prizes. A lot different than other Web3 wallets out there. The more you mint, the more you trade, the more points you can earn, and you can utilize that to redeem, either digital assets. Here you can even redeem that for physical goods, as we see right here. With the Coinbase wallet, you can win something every single day, as you can read right there. You can't really do that with any wallet that I've seen so far, and hopefully this takes off and helps onboard a little bit more people into Web3. Remember, there's no username and password. A passkey is how you're going to get access to this wallet on different devices. If it's not your device, you probably can't utilize your web wallet on there. However, do remember that account recovery is coming soon, and if that is allowed, that means you can access this on a third-party computer where you don't have passkey should something happen to your devices. Now, do not quote me on that because that may or may not happen. One thing that I do know happening right now is that a lot of people are doing really well in these sectors of crypto, NFTs, and DeFi. These three different sectors are crashing together and allowing normal people like you and me to earn yield on digital assets. If you want to learn how to do that and more, we definitely dive more in depth on how to utilize those dApps, those decentralized apps that we're talking about, and some other of those top 10 protocols that is featured here on Coinbase. Personally, going forward, I'm going to utilize Coinbase Wallet a lot because every single day I'm going onto MetaMask, I'm going to Phantom, I'm going onto Magic Eden wallets, and there's no leaderboards there. There's no clicking a spinning wheel to win some USDC. So you best believe that I'll be visiting Coinbase Wallet on a daily. I also have full confidence that they'll be building out their analytics and on-chain metrics even more in the future. Definitely you want to stay tuned and come back for those tutorials. Once again, if you love this video, hope you subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you guys on the next one.